What's up, beautiful people? Today's topic is about how to make extra money from home 2019. So in today's world, there's a lot of persons out there who are without a job, who are at home. There are a lot of moms that are not able to work due to the fact that they have to be home taking care of the kids. So this is where I come in, where I show you guys how you can make additional income from your home without leaving your home. So there's a lot of ways to make money online, and honestly there's a lot of ways to get scammed online also. So you got to be careful the type of information that you take in and the type of information that you translate it. So for the persons who are at home and you're not always where an internet is, what you could do is some of these. You could do resumes. To think about it, there's a lot of persons out there who can write a resume or can't write a resume, or who are so busy that it would be better for them to pay somebody to do it for them. So this is where you come in. You can write a resume for persons who are applying for certain jobs. You can even teach like the younger kids or the younger teenagers who are going to high school how to also write a resume, and you can actually set how you want to be paid for that type of work. So you decide your value and you price your work based on your value. So the second advice I have is, if you're a mom or dad, whosoever, as long as you're at home and you're there with the kids or whatsoever, you can bake. So if you like to cook, or even if you don't like to cook, just research in your community. What is it that I can bake that really is going to place an impact on people? What is it that I can bake that is going to taste so good that people are going to buy that product from me? So what you do is you write down every single ingredients that you're going to buy out of your pocket, or you're going to borrow from your neighbor or your friend if you don't have any money, and write down the value of those ingredients. Now you're gonna bake whatever product you're going to bake, and then this is how you're going to price it. So you're going to calculate the money that you spend on the ingredients to make that product, or you're going to calculate the money that you think that product is worth. And what you're going to do is you're going to add a profit to those products that you bake. So to ensure that you're really making a profit, what you're going to do is subtract the amount of money you spend to purchase the ingredient from the profit. So whatever money you subtract from that bulk of money that you get from selling those products, then the additional amount of money is going to be your profit. So guys, again, I want to thank you for tuning in. Thank you for being here with me. I know you could be anywhere in the world right now. I know you could be on any YouTube channel right now, but you're here right here with me. So I want to say thank you. And you'll probably be watching this alone, because not every time you're watching it with a group or so forth. So you that is sitting down right here watching this, you're special. You have greatness in you. Don't ever think that because of your circumstances you cannot accomplish or you cannot push to a certain limit where you're comfortable. Don't ever settle for less. And just remember that God didn't make any junk. God made you special. He said before you're even born, He knew every hair on your head. So what that make you so special? So keep your head up. So with this, additionally, I have a couple sites that I'm going to share with you where you can make additional income. And I think about 3 sites. I'm going to share about 3 if time persists me. So the first one we're going to explore is Upworks. So what you're going to do is just go on Google and type in Upworks. And just click right here. It's gonna take you to the main page where you don't you're not really looking for any work, you want to become a worker. So what you're gonna do is just come over here and you see the different categories, what you can do. So let's try data science and analytics. So when you come here, down at the bottom here where it said want to get hired, become a freelancer, you're gonna click here. It's gonna take you to this page where you're going to sign up. So you're going to put in your country and you're gonna create a password. Then you're going to choose what do you want. You want to be hired for a project, or you want to be hired to work as a freelancer. So just click on a freelancer, put in a username, I forgot, I gotta change this to my country, which is Jamaica. So you're gonna type the letters below in the same exact order. Then I'm gonna click next and let's see what happens. So you're gonna verify your email address. So after you verify your email address, it's going to take you to this page. What you're going to do is read and put in the necessary information that correspond to what you can do, and just click save and continue and go on from there. So the next one we're going to look at is called Allegis transcription. This is a transcription job that really pays really very well. So when you come to the site, read the following information that is there on the site so you have an exact idea what you're getting yourself into. You don't want to sign over your life, right? Okay, so looking for a work from home transcription job. We are looking for a skilled transcriptionist to join our team. Transcriptionist jobs available, work online, and you guys can read the rest. So over here you see some available jobs that they have opening right now, and guys, look at this one. Talented coordinator, and look at the pay, 39,000 to 41,000. So if you're interested in this job, all you got to do is either click apply or click detail, and you can know more about the job, what it entitles. So I just click on detail, and this is what the job entitles, the description and the requirements. And if you don't want to do that, there are also other positions. You have legal transcriptionist, and then you have experienced transcriptionist. So whatever suits you, click on that. And guys, this job pays very, very well. And the next one we're going to look at is for the persons who, and this one is for the persons who are at home and you have kids, or you want to have kids and you have a passion to work with kids. Then this is exactly for you. It's called QKids. And what QKids is a teaching platform where you teach English to students worldwide. You teach English to students in countries that English is not typically their main language. So you come on the site qkids.com and you read what the sites say. You can either watch a video also to get familiar with what you're getting yourself into. So you can either apply, but I advise you to read every single section of this page so you don't sign over your life. So if you scroll all the way down the bottom, then you see who we are and what we do. So they tell you a little bit about the organization, how long the organization has been around, and what exactly the organization do. So to get started, you're going to click on apply. When you click on apply, it's going to take you to this page. You're going to put in your email address. Hold on. You're going to click sign up. So when you take it to this page, you're going to click sign up. So when you sign up, you're going to put in your email address, your password, and put in this verification number. If somebody refer you or you have a refer code, you can put it here also, and then click sign up. Then it's going to take you to a next page where it's going to give you some additional information and some additional slots to fill out. And what you guys can do is just read what the information is and fill out those slots. Then it's going to send you an email where you have to verify your email. And I think the next step is they're going to set up an interview with you and talk to you, basically talk to see who they are dealing with, to make sure that you're not a stalker or you're not a robot. So there you have it, guys. Those jobs are 2019 jobs that pays very well if you're at home and you do not have a 9-to-5, or even if you have a 9-to-5 and you can squeeze in a couple of hours, then you can do these type of jobs also on the side to make some additional income. And just remember, guys, the only time you fail is when you stop trying, is when you drop on your face and you decide that this is where I'm going to lie down, this is where I'm going to be, I'm not going to get up, I'm so tired, I'm so frustrated, I'm just going to just left it right here and don't even care what happened. Then you're already failed. But if you're the type of person who brush yourself off and get up and is searching and looking or praying and said, God, please, you know the circumstances, what I'm going through, please give me something, then I think this is for you. And if you're lazy and don't want to put in no hours, don't want to do nothing physically, then I really I'm saying that this is not for you. So you might want to look into something else. And again, guys, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, comment in the comment section, let me know what you think about this video. Also remember to subscribe to the channel if you want to see more of this video and many more. I also do weddings and proposal videos, so you can look up that on my channel also if you're interested in those sort of topics. And these are some topics that I'm putting out every Wednesday also, which is how to gain additional income, how to work from home. So in the future, you guys gonna see more videos like this where I can help you guys to move from point A to point B. So like always, laugh, cry, enjoy.